Hi, good morning. We're in Capitola Village right now, and at 8:45 a.m. all the residents seem to have received this warning about high surf and flooding. And down here you can see the high waves, and I guess it is high tide. It looks pretty darn close to the breakers over here. And as you can see over here in the Esplanade, that there's a lot of flooding that's reminiscent of last year's in January. There was a lot of destruction at the restaurants, and so there's a lot of flooding in the village. And you can see that the waters are breaking.
Exit up Monterey